For today's purposes, I will sing for you the first example, and I'm going to have you repeat that example back to me. You've already written in these syllables, so I'm going to just give you a neutral one, and I want you to sing it back on the syllables, all right? Because you've written them in already. All right, here's number one. Listen again, and then I'll have you sing it with those. Listen again. Listen again. I'm gonna hear you sing the syllables. Ready, start, go. Yay, those syllables are correct, but why are we down in the basement? Mi, re, do. Find your natural voice, the natural spot where your voice falls. It's either gonna be here, mi, re, do. It's either gonna be there or it's gonna be mi, re, do. Let's get out of the gutter. Let's try it again. Ready, 2, 3, and. All right, some of y'all are getting better. Some of y'all are still hanging out in that gutter. Number 2. Does number 2 start on what pitch? Number 2 starts on do. So take a second and look at the direction of where those notes are going. In the first passage, the notes are going up or down? They're going down. In number 2, which way are they going? All right, I'm going to give you this starting pitch, and I want to see if you can just see what this sounds like without me giving you the example. Here's your starting pitch for number 2. Ready, sing. Now, you said the notes in number 2 were going up, but you all sang do, re, mi, and you went further down. Uh-huh. All right. So remember, when we see our pitches going up the lines, up the spaces, we have to sing and play higher. Listen to number 2. Do, re, mi, go. There's some excitement. Thank you. Now, we're going to take number 1 and number 2 and squish them together. Number 1 and number 2 and squish them together because they are basically just mirror opposites. We have mi, re, do, re, mi, happening just like that, all right? All right, so here's our starting pitch up here, Pierce. All right, starting on number 1, going straight to number 2. 1, 2, ready, sing. Breathe. Uh-oh, that was like 80% of the way there. When we stopped, mi, re, do, that same do is the same do in number 2, so don't change the pitch because do has not changed. Somebody made a different do. Let's try number 1, going to number 2 again. Ready, and mi, same note.